Hello there, and welcome to my tutorials on creating 3D sound for VR videos. Today I'm going to cover the setup of the tools that you'll need to get started. First, we're going to download Reaper, a freeware digital audio workstation. It's a multi-purpose program for recording and editing sound similar to GarageBand or Audacity if you're familiar with them. Make sure that when you download it, you get the version that is particular to your OS. In this case, for me, Windows 64. When you run the setup, we'll give you a list of prompts, none of which you will need to deselect from default. The next piece of software that we're going to need is the spatial workstation developed by Facebook. It was a tool made by them to assist in mixing 3D sound. It will install a folder into the directory that you choose with a list of tools that you will need in order to do spatial audio. In order to download it, you will need to enter an email and a name, and once you've extracted the files, then you can run the install. Now, if we navigate to the default install location, which on Windows should be under Program Files. Yes, here we are. We'll wait for the install to finish first. Then you will see a list of folders, one of which is the video player, which is essential to mixing. It allows you to sync the audio that you are creating with a VR video while you're editing it. The encoder is what you'll use in order to export your mix as a usable file type, because it is atypical of audio in the industry. We're going to decline to install the optional software, and the remaining three folders, Nuendo, Pro Tools, and Reaper, are simply specific plugins for digital audio workstations, and we, of course, will be using Reaper. Now, the spatial workstation comes with an example Reaper project. We're going to open this, and we're going to save it as our desired file. Reaper is technically not a free software, but the trial period never actually expires. And here I will save this. Straight to the desktop. And now I can begin mixing. If I want to do so in conjunction with a video, then I'll navigate back to Spatial Workstation and open the video player. And this will sync with, as long as the mode is slave, to the digital audio workstation that I'm currently using. As long as I pick a video to load, and likely will be using the mono format, and display to desktop, when I open it, you'll see the video here. And if we were to resize it, you'll see that when I press play, in the mix, you can see that the video plays and that I can move around so that I can sync the audio that I create with the video. In future videos, I will show you precisely how to mix for different situations of ambisonic recording and synthesis.